Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a wig review and today's company is West Kiss. So I'm really excited to show you guys this wig because when I tell you guys I am obsessed with this curly wig. Now this wig is great for those that are beginners because it's literally minimal effort. As well as the wig, it came with a few gifts as well. So you've got this bonnet, which I absolutely love. Like, this is the first time I've received a bonnet from like a wig company. And then it also came with some 3D eyelashes. You guys know how much I love my eyelashes, so this was a huge tick on my side. It also came with these double-sided tapes, so you can use these instead of glue, instead of hairspray. They're really nice because they don't pull out your edges and they're quite gentle. I tried them and I really liked it, so yeah, these are a good alternative to glue. It also came with an edge control brush. This was so useful. I always use it in my install process. And then of course the melting band. This is an essential to installing a wig. And then of course a HD wig cap. This actually had 2 pieces inside it, and then a bag to store the wig. This is really good for traveling because it makes sure that the wig doesn't stick together or get matted or anything like that. So the wig itself is 22 inches and it's HD lace. So I got my cap size in medium. You can get medium, you can get large, and you can get small of course. So yeah, just now let me show you guys the wig straight out the packet. As you guys can see, everything is done for you. Even within the lace, you can just see how flawless this wig is. Now when I take off the net, you guys will see that this wig is pre-bleached, pre-plucked and pre-cut. Guys, you cannot ask for any more. When I said effortless, this is literally what I mean. As you guys can see there, it's just blending so nicely with my skin tone. So I didn't really have to do anything to this wig, if I'm being completely honest. Even adding like powder and foundation, I didn't even need to do that. So it's definitely beginner friendly. Now to secure the wig, of course it's got the clips on the sides, so it comes with these clips. This will just secure your wig, but to make it extra secure, because this is a glueless wig, it's got this band at the back here which has got the rubber bits which will basically stop your wig from sliding back. So yeah, it's a really great glueless unit that is very secure. Now I wanted to show you guys the curls on this wig. I just think that they are so nice and full, fluffy, bouncy curls. I absolutely love it. Okay, so the first thing that I do is I put my wig cap on. This is what the wig cap looks like. Nice and simple stuff. And then I just put the wig onto my head. I just make it secure, so I'm just clipping the clips in basically and just securing the back. And that's how you put it on. As you guys can see, perfect fit, perfect hairline. It's effortless. Like, if you guys want to rock it like this, there we go. I can rock it like this. I've done nothing. I've not done anything to the curls. I've not sprayed anything on it. This is how I rock it on a day-to-day basis. However, I wanted to show you guys that it's also versatile. You can put hairspray on it like I'm doing here, or you can use the double-sided ear tapes. I'm using hairspray just because I prefer to use hairspray this day, but most days I rock it glueless. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, because you can do that. But I just wanted to show you guys how I would use Got to Be Glued to basically just secure it a little bit further. But yeah, this doesn't take me too long at all. I just spray the spray and then I just secure this with my melting band. And when you guys see when I take off my melting band, you guys will literally just see how it melts into my skin. Like, you will just be saying lace wet. And there you have it. This is what the hairline looks like with some hairspray on it. Guys, this is definitely such a good wig. Like I keep saying, beginner friendly, guys. You can rock it like this if you like. You can go for like the dry, natural look where the curls are just really fluffy. I myself prefer a wet look, and that's kind of what I want to show you guys. To get the wet look, I just spray some water. So I put some water into a spray bottle and then I just spray it and then run like my fingers through the curls, and that's how I get the wet look. And then to elevate this wet look a bit further, I use this Daily Oil Moisturizer from Cantu. This is completely optional. I can rock it like that with the just the water, but I just want to add in something that will hold the curls for a little bit longer. So yeah, this is what I do to create this look. And guys, that is done. I wanted to show you what one side looks like with the wet look and what the dry side looks like. So as you guys can see, both very beautiful, both very, you know, nice and whatever, but I do prefer the wet look myself. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the rest of my hair and put the moisturizer in the rest of my hair, and I'll show you guys the finished look. And this is the final look, you guys. As you guys can see, this basically took me around 10 minutes. Some days it literally just takes me 2 minutes because I just put it on my head and go because it's a glueless install. However, this time I just did a little bit extra to it. But yeah, so everything's going to be in my description, video description. If you check in there, that's where you'll find the links to this wig and the link to West Kiss website. So thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I will catch you on my next one later. Bye.